Everyone's eating Keema Kebabs wrong. The real secret? It's not in the spices. It's in how you shape and cook them. Let me show you how to make them juicy, smoky, and melt in your mouth, every single time. This is the easiest way to make authentic, halal Keema Kebabs at home, with that signature restaurant-style flavor, using simple ingredients you already have. Start with 500 grams of finely ground mutton or beef mince. Don't go too lean, or the kebabs will dry out. Into a mixing bowl, add 1 small onion, grated or finely chopped. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 green chilies, crushed. A handful of fresh coriander and mint, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. Juice of half a lemon. 1 egg for binding. And optionally, 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan. This helps hold everything together. Mix well, get your hands in there. Once everything's combined, cover and chill for 30 to 45 minutes. This step is crucial for flavor and firmness. Now shape your kebabs. You can roll them onto skewers, or form oval patties using damp pans. Heat a grill pan or heavy skillet with a little oil or ghee. Medium-high heat is perfect. You want that golden crust without drying the meat. Sear each kebab for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Flip just once, no pressing. Want that real restaurant aroma? Try this. Place a small piece of hot charcoal in a foil cup, set it in the pan, drizzle with ghee, and cover for 2 minutes and it takes your kebabs to the next level. Serve hot with mint chutney, sliced onions, and a squeeze of lemon. Tips: don't overmix, or the kebabs will turn dense. Chill the mixture to help it firm up before shaping. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with your foodie friends. Want to try a vegetarian kebab that tastes just like this? Subscribe us and turn on the bell, the next one's going to surprise you.